Hello everyone, Patrick here, the Business Friday coming to you on a Thursday. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Jira and set up your own personal project where you can start tracking your personal tasks and really start understanding how to use Jira. I also have an 8-hour course that's below in the description that you can take, and it goes through in detail how to use Jira. All right, well, I'm going to give you a quick update before we get on my laptop and start learning Jira. I'm up to 6 subscribers. Yes, one is my daughter, one is myself. So that means I got 4 subscribers. I mean, I am just killing it. I'm so excited. I have 6 subscribers. So, I got some great momentum. I think it's been 2 weeks. So this is great, but you're really going to enjoy this video and you are going to learn a lot if you haven't used Jira. It's going to get you up and running really quick. All right, enough of this talk. Let's get on my laptop and let's get started. Hello everyone, Patrick here. Here I am on my main page. I just logged into Jira. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you can get an account for free. I actually put a video together that you can look at, and you could get up to 10 people for free in Jira. All right, so here I am. I'm on my home page. I'm going to click on Jira software. It might just take you straight into Jira if you've already logged in. And what we're going to do today is I'm actually going to show you how to set up a project where you can track your personal tasks. And I'm going to go over a little bit about how Jira works. So here I am on my home page. You can always go and click on Jira software. If you want to create a new project, you need to go here on projects and click create project, or you can go to view all projects and you can go create a project, or you can hit create up here. But here you can see what projects you have already. So I don't have many. So we're going to go create a project. And here's all the different options that you can use. Now, some of them might cost money, but we aren't going to use the ones that are premium here. So you can see top level planning, premium. Scrum, we'll go through that in another video. And like I said, I have 8 hours of training on what Scrum is and how to use it. Click below if you want to find out more about that. So what we're going to do is we are just going to go in and we're going to go to personal, and we're going to go to task tracking. Here I am. We have to actually create a name of your project. So my project is going to be tracking tasks for this month. And here we go. It says explore what's possible when you collaborate with your team. So you can add people to this tracking, like if you want to have your friends see what you're working on, or maybe your wife or your friend or whoever, your significant other, whoever you want to collaborate with, you can. So I'm going to go create project. All right, here we go. So it's spinning up, and here I am on the tracking tasks for this month. And what comes out of the box is what you can see here. We are on the board, and there's boards for all the different types of projects, whether you're going to do a Scrum project, a personal tracking like this, a Kanban board. But this one comes out of the box with a to-do and done. Now, real quick, I want to show you if you did want to have to-do, done, and let's say we want to have a backlog. It's all the stuff that we haven't got done, but we want to. There you go. Now you have a section backlog. And you can drop and drag these. So I want to have backlog, to do, and done. Now you can personalize all these different settings. We can go through all these different areas later if you want to take the course, and I'll be putting more videos together on how to do this all. But right here, we want to put some tasks on our board. So the backlog, what I'm not going to get to is, so I'm going to have to create some tasks. So I'm going to go here on my to-do, hit create. What needs to be done? I need to paint the house. I need to cut the grass, weed the yard. All right, so let's go paint the house. I'm just going to show you what this looks like, this task. So when we double click, you have all kinds of different options here. You can add attachments, you can put child issues, which means you can have like subtasks, you can link other issues, you can add comments history, you can put who it's assigned to. So if you have, you want to assign your friends with a lot of work, you can go in here and do that. You can set the priority, you can make labels, due dates, a lot more. Again, this is just a basic introduction, but there's a lot of different ways you can track this task, but we're just going to use this task with a very simple paint the house. And I'm going to put, painting the house is going to take a while, so I'm going to put that one in the backlog. Cut the grass, I'm going to actually do that, and I already got the weeding the garden done. So you see, simply I can track my different tasks of what I need to do in the near future or what I've already done. So this is very, very simple. It's a easy way to track your tasks. I am going to go in here and click on just a couple of these other areas where we have a summary here where it can show you, this is pretty cool, how many are done, what's been updated, what's been created, and you can see the recent activity. This is really nice. I can see I have 33% done. So you can go through and feel really good about yourself when you've created these tasks and you actually finish them. So this is really cool. This is a newer feature. They did not have this a couple years ago. It says good afternoon. You always go back to your board here. They have a list view, so you can look at these, what you need to do in the list. You can add categories and assign them to people. You can put them on your calendar. Let's say you put the dates. I didn't put any dates in here, but you can put dates in and tie them to a calendar. You can put a timeline in here. We don't have any timelines yet, but this is really cool. This is a newer feature. This has only been in Jira for a couple years. And really, we're just hitting just the very top of what Jira can do. I mean, we're just learning a tiny bit today. And there's so much functionality. If you're really tracking an IT project, and we will go through that, and my course goes through that, you can really be able to track details of a project or stay high level. And if you want to do this Scrum framework in Agile, where you're going to be doing 2 to 3 week sprints, that's really cool. We can go to pages here, tie into Confluence, and in my course I show you how to do that. You can look at your issues here like we did. I clicked into the issue and you see this one is actually done and cut the grass, but if you want to click in, you can put all kinds of details in here. There's all kinds of reports you can look at. We're not going to look at that today, but those are available too. Add shortcuts. It goes on and on and on, and you can customize all this. All right. So that was a lot, but I'm going to go back to the board. Let's stay simple. Let's just get you used to Jira. Go in, play around with this. If you want to track some of your tasks, I guarantee the things you track, you will get done. And that goes for your own projects, your own tasks. And if you're a project manager working in IT or any type of business, contracting, HR, finance, this will help you keep things in order, keep them on track, and you're going to be successful and get a lot more done. And you're either going to run your business better or get that promotion that you always wanted. All right, great. This is the Business Friday on a Thursday, and I'm out. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you, and have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.